Now student, in this lecture we learn about how we can place a plumbing fixture. So as you know that uh, this is basically indirect. We will design here an indirect plumbing system, and we can place a water tank above this top of the roof, above this roof. This is roof, and then supply this water to whole areas. So here you see there are 3 and 2 5 washroom in first floor, and one here kitchen, and this is also and this is dinner table, and similarly here in second floor, same similar to first floor. Here also 5 washroom and one kitchen, and mm, also here number of uh, this is dining, and this is kitchen, and this is a you can say that TV lounge or any area. So we can design according to this. So first of all, we can calculate the total water consumption that we required here, and in second step, first step we can place fixture, and in second step we can calculate the total water requirement and tank size, and then after calculating that, we can supply water to whole house, and after that hot and cold water both we can supply to whole house. And after supplying this, we can in next step we can calculate the motor or pump horsepower, and in this way we can and then we find the pump head and water horsepower, and this is our complete project of supply system. So